Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's meditation session, titled Meditation for Mindfulness. As always, please find your preferred comfortable seated position, either on the floor, as I am, with your legs crossed, or in a chair with back support. With your hands, you can place them on your knees, palms up or down, or you can relax and lay them in your lap. Whatever's most comfortable. If you're in a location where you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes at this time. Starting off with 3 deep breaths. We are going to be focusing on our breathing this session. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose. Feel the pressure of the air entering your nose and out. Feel your lungs expand with every breath. Why is it important to focus on our breathing? Why do we focus on the breath? It allows us to stay in the present moment. It's normal for thoughts to enter your mind. Things maybe honey-do lists or things about work or life. That's normal. By focusing on the breath, it allows us to use an anchor point that will allow us to not focus on the past or the future, but the present. The past has already happened. Yes, it's important to learn from the past, but it's also important to move on. It's important to think about the future, prepare for the future, but the most important time that we can focus on, the only time that we actually have to make a difference or to truly live, is in the present. Because we can't change the past, and the future, of course, is not promised. So as thoughts come and go, it's okay. There might be 100 thoughts that come into your mind. The actual practice is recognizing that a thought has entered my mind, and now I am going to bring my attention back to the present. This might happen 100, 1,000 times. But the practice is in actually recognizing or being aware that your attention has drifted. So don't be upset and think that you might be meditating wrong, because thoughts happen all the time. As I'm recording this now, thoughts enter my mind, I observe them, and then I gently let them go. So don't be hard on yourself or judge yourself. Just be relaxed. This position, sitting still, it's sometimes uncomfortable. It's okay to move and readjust. If you had your eyes closed, go ahead and open them if you're ready. Go ahead and maybe wiggle your toes and fingers. Great job today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. As always, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.